because they see that something changed within you. But if you say, so it's like, it's because it's weird. Don't say anybody you're doing yoga. Don't tell anybody you're doing. But after 2-3 years, they will be like, hey, you look good. Like, yeah, huh?
On ne dit
What's
rien
your
du
thing?
tout
Like,
et les autres voient
oh,
en
no.
vous cette changement, cette transformation. Vous êtes rien.
Like, you know, I like to do that. And slowly they look at you like, okay. And maybe...
That's a good explanation. I think, you know, from my experience just watching, you do your practice, your mother comes up to you and says, hey, you're looking better. You're straight. Can you show me something? Or your sister or your boyfriend? And that's how teachers are born. Somebody sees the change that they're going through their own discipline, and
You know this song? Please sing along with me. I need it. I clear my. It's okay. My sweet Lord, my Lord, my Lord. I really want to see you. I really want to be with you. I really want to see you, Lord, but it takes so long. My sweet Lord. Show you, Lord, I won't take long, my Lord. Hallelujah, my sweet Lord. Hallelujah, my Lord. Hallelujah, my sweet Lord. Hallelujah. Really want to see you. Sorry. Really want to see you. Really want to see you, Lord. Takes so long, my Lord. Hallelujah, my sweet Lord. Hallelujah, my Lord. Hallelujah, my Lord. Hallelujah. I really want to know you. Hallelujah. I really want to go with you. I really want to show you.
I will be like, maybe you're right. But it's not the right thing. Like, don't sit in front of me to say, I'm going to teach you something. That's what I feel. It's like, sit next to me, let's walk together. And that's the way I like to teach also. It's like, I even say to my students sometimes, it's like, don't do that. But you know what, 3 days after, they're like, what are you doing? It's like, yes, put your hand here. Yes, okay, good. And after 1 year, they're like, every day.